Hi there, Dori Soukup here. I'm super excited because this month we're going to go over the third recipe for success. Now, we've already gone over two of them, and this month is all about how to self and cross market that is fun and exciting and provide you with the proper tools to know how to do it. So during this 1 hour, I'm going to go over all sorts of strategies for the team to make it super easy for them to ask for referrals, to cross market between team members, and how to apply all these tools, like for example the spa dollar, how to use a gift card to market themselves, how to use strategies like this gift form for events. So they're all great fresh strategies to help your team get armed with what they need to do so they can implement these successful recipes and be able to get the results that you're looking for. So make sure you mark your calendar and you join us for the recipes for success so you can learn how to cross market and how to increase your revenue. So I hope to see you then. Until next time, stay inspired.